Melo, ano naman ang iyong nararamdaman sa nalalapit mong laban?
Video ba yan?
Oo.
Hindi nga.
Hindi, picture. Ano ang masasabi mo?
Para sa MTV ka. Para sa MTV ka. Papakita mo yung bahay mo.
Welcome to your crib.
Welcome to my
Welcome
crib.
to MTV, and this is
My crib.
my crib.
Okay.
Come show my house. This is the door. You see the door? It's gentle, because I'm man. Yeah. Try to focus on it. Here are my friends.
Hi friends.
Hi friends. And you know what? My bathroom is so cool because it has some Kimberly Clark Professional. And I'm also an environmental friendly.
Okay, that's very nice.
Yes.
Who's that? Who's that?
He is my friend of mine. What name is yours? Oh! See, he's so friendly. And you know what? I'm so confident that I am thrifty because I use, what do you call this? I don't know this one. And this is my one and ordinary urinal.
Very nice urinal.
Yeah, when I was 5 years old, I tried to do urinating here. When I was adolescent, I used it here.
Very nice.
Yeah. And let me show you my bedroom.
Oh, very nice bedroom.
Yeah, it's like a toilet.
What you call that?
That one?
Yes.
That's my secret compartment.
Secret compartment?
Yeah.
Very good.
It's composed of, secret tissue. Yes. And as you can see, my crib is so nice. You can go now.
Thank you.
Yeah. So long.